Hi, Erika here, catching up on the 31 days of spooky scraps. The 25th prompt is nail polish, and I'm playing along with the 30 days of sketches for Christy's Beautiful Life. I wanted to get a little creative and reminisce from when I was younger. I did a lot of nail art, and one of those styles was water marbling, and I wanted to see how well it would work on paper. I dropped about 4 to 6 drops in the middle over and over again and took a paper piercer to thread it outwards to make it look a little marbled, and you'll see that in a second. I definitely in retrospect would stick to solid colors. That gold kind of disrupted the pattern as you saw there, but it's okay. So cleanup is pretty easy. You just kind of have to weed out all of the nail polish and dump out the water and start again. Unfortunately, I knew how to do this, but I didn't dump it out. I just thought I had cleaned it all out. So my second ghost looks a little wonky and the nail polish is a little thicker, but that's okay. Now I'm just sewing some lines as per the sketch, and these will be the flight patterns for all of my spooky friends. So now that I have my thread, I am taking some pink shimmery embroidery thread and I'm making a couple paths with it as well. That is my first ghost right there. I think he's my favorite out of both of them, although they both have strengths. Now, here are my 2 photos that I'm documenting. We love watching Chopped and any sort of baking or cooking shows, and this particular layout, I am serving you nail polish 2 ways. And I am just putting together my layers, nearing the end of my Halloween kit, and these are just scraps. Now I'm going to be layering them, but I definitely want to save the good parts that I'll be using later in the future, or maybe even next year if I don't get... Oh my goodness, October is almost over. Can you believe it? It seems like it just started. Well, in any case, now that I have cut the most important elements out of these 4x6 cards, I am just stacking them behind my 2 photos. I'm not very concerned with making them very straight. I just want to enhance all of the colors in the photos and make sure that there is a decent color balance. Now I'm securing my photo with some foam adhesive, and I'm basically just taking some scraps and placing them together, and my title's just gonna read Nail Candy. It's pretty straightforward, no crazy puns here today, but I am taking these cute little bats. I did a special Halloween project for my friend Jojo, and these were left over from them, and unfortunately my phone did stop recording when I added all of the extra elements, but you kind of get the gist. I put a lot of stuff on. And that is pretty much it. After a quick outline, I went around I believe 3 times just to add a little bit of contrast to the outside of the page. I hope you enjoyed watching. I hope you try this art technique out. It is a little messy, but it's definitely fun to play around with. Thank you so much for watching and have a great rest of your day. Bye!